Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can sign in into Among Us on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple. So once you open Among Us, it's going to show you this. Click on I understand. So it means do you agree to its terms and service? I do, so I will click on understand. Then it's going to show you your Apple ID. So if you do not know, your Among Us account in Apple or iPhone is going to be created using your Apple ID. So click and continue. And whichever Apple ID you are using on your iPhone, that is the Apple ID that's going to show you over here. Click and continue. It's going to ask you for the password of your iPhone or your Apple ID. After you enter your password, it's going to log you in, or it's going to create yourself an account in Among Us. So that is how we guys can log in into Among Us using iPhone. So I'm going to specify if you're a bit confused. Go on App Store and click on the logo at the top right corner. Whichever account is being displayed to you, that is the Apple ID that is going to be used to log you in into your Among Us account. So keep that in mind. If you want to use a different account, then choose a different Apple ID over here and you will be logged in into a different Among Us account. So keep that in mind. Hope you understand this video. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.